In this video, let me show you how to fix Spotify cannot update. In this situation, this might be the issue with your Play Store or your App Store if you're using an iOS device, or it also may be the issue with your phone. So in the first situation, what you can simply do is simply tap and hold the application of Play Store, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside, tap on the storage option, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear cache and clear all data. Make sure you tap on it and try to see if the issue is resolved. If you're using an iOS device, you'll need to manually refresh the updates by heading over to your profile icon within settings. Now, by doing this first step, you're still facing this issue. The other thing that you'll also need to ensure is that your phone has enough space so that the Spotify can update. If your phone is running out of space, this also might be causing this issue. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, then what you can try out is just uninstall Spotify from your device and then try to download the newest version. Alongside that, you can also try to restart your device so that it fixes any sort of phone glitches that your phone might be having. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.